Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually form a limited liability company in the state of Minnesota. Now guys, we're going to look at the three different methodologies by which you can actually file, set up and structure your limited liability company. So if you want to find out what those three methodologies are, you have come to the right video, because what we're going to do is quite unique. We're going to talk about the easy methodologies by which that you can start your company in the right way. Remember guys, starting a limited liability company can be a very tedious job, and there's a lot of different legal requirements that need to be filled out. But with our methodology and help, you can ensure that you can start up your business in no time. Now, one of the things that I absolutely love about the official website of the state of Minnesota is the fact that it is properly structured. It's easy to get through and you can understand exactly where the things are. So if you look on the top, you got residents with the response resources, consumer and finances, health, legal, natural resources, public safety, social services, taxes, transportation, volunteering, and voting and election. In business, you got all the different business related elements, which we're going to check out in a second. Government has federal, legal, local, state, tribal, and voting election. You got employability, education, and travel. So what you need to do is click on business and you'll be taken to the next page. On this page, you can clearly see that the information related to business is all available. Starting a business in Minnesota, business with the government, financial information, and legal resources, as well as licensing and regulation. Now, if you look at the starting a new business, there's different elements available, from business forms and fees to starting a business, and business first off from registering a business and doing business in Minnesota. Now, if you want to do business with the government, you can easily find out the elements that are available. If you want to get financial information from business law information, tax professionals, business taxes, business reports, financing a business, and you can easily do that. If you want to find a lawyer and get legal forms, or find a court or get notary information, you can easily do that as well. And all the licenses and regulations that you require for your business are available as well. Now, one of the things that you need to understand, that once you start a business in Minnesota, you need to fill out a lot of forms, and that is the reason why we're going to check out business forms and fees. Once you click on business forms and fees, you'll be taken to the next page. On this page, you're going to have your business forms and fees. Now guys, obviously on the left hand side, there's different business forms and fees, but our concentration is looking at the Minnesota's limited liability company form. So once we click on it, we're going to be taken to the next page. Over here, the legal requirements to actually form a limited liability company is available, from the article of organizations to the nonprofit LLC article of organization, the amendment of articles, the annual renewal, the change of registered office and agent, the article of conversions, and obviously all the different elements that are available. Now, one of the things you got to keep in mind, guys, is that whenever you're starting off a formation of limited liability companies, you got to make sure that you do not take anything for granted, because setting up a limited liability company requires a lot of minute details that need to be gone over. And it's for that reason we're introducing this platform to you called inkfile.com, the fast, free, awarding winning company formation, where you can join over 1 million business owners that have used Inkfile since 2004. And starting a new business can be very stressful and expensive, guys, and we understand that. And there is a lot to do to file a limited liability company, varying from state requirements and numerous steps and a lot of important documentation that leave plenty of room for error. And it's for that reason mistakes can be very costly, and that is where Inkfile tends to come in place. They will help you set up a limited liability company. All you'll need to do is pay a state fee to file your business, but Inkfile doesn't charge any processing fee on top of it. Formation through the Inkfile is completely free, and you can choose to add on additional services with their premium packages. There is no hidden cost or subscription. It's 100% free with the fastest filing speed, a free registered agent, and free compliance reminder. And the thing that really makes Inkfile stand out is that the comprehensive set of services that they provide gets everything covered, from getting your EIN number to your business licensing to submitting your annual report. You just need to choose the service that suits your situation as and when you need it. Now, your EIN number is one of the most crucial things that you need to get. It is your employer identification number. It is a social security for your organization organization and business. If you do not have an EIN number, you won't be able to do business in the state of Minnesota. Now, obviously, all your business essentials are all going to be in one place, and you can get reminders and compliance alerts, and you can grow your business with additional services when you need them. Remember, guys, it's quite simple and straightforward. All you need to do is click on Get Started, and now once you do that, you're going to be taken to the next page. Over here, you're going to have two options: the entity type and the state of formation. Now, the entity types is what kind of formation do you want? Is it an LLC, an S corporation, a C corporation, or a non-profit? For this video, we're going to go with the limited liability company, the LLC. The state of formation is going to be what state you want to form your LLC in. All the 50 states are available over here, so we're going to select Minnesota. As we do that, we're going to get an option: the silver, the gold, or the platinum. These are three packages that are available. Now, if you see on the bottom where the state fee is the same for each one of them, and the state fee is what your selected state charges to file a new business entity. This amount is passed through and goes 100% directly to the Secretary of State, and IncFile doesn't keep any part of this fee. But the package fee is the package price that covers the cost to create, prepare, and file all the required legal paperwork on your behalf to properly form your business entity. It also includes the cost of additional services and products in your chosen package. Now, with the silver one, the core feature at the lowest price for $155 with one transparent payment, the preparation of filing article of organization, unlimited name searches, a free registered agent service for a year, unlimited phone and email support is going to be given. But if you go for the gold, you get the comprehensive features to get your business started. For $354 with a one-time transparent payment, for $199 package fee and $155 state fee, you get everything in the gold, plus your EIN business tax number, your IRS Form 2553, operating agreements, banking resolutions, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, unlimited and phone email support, and business banking account, as well as business tax consultation. If you want to go for the platinum one, you get the full feature at the best value at $454 with a package fee of $299 and a state fee of $155. You get your business contract templates, you get your free next day filing a domain name plus business emails, and all the different elements that are available in the gold and the silver. Now, my main concern and my main recommendation to everyone that is starting off a limited liability company for the first time and have not formed a limited liability company before, to go for the platinum, because the support, the assistance, and the guidance you tend to get is absolutely brilliant. Now, there's a lot of people that tend to ask me, is there a possibility that we can actually speak to a lawyer? There is, guys, and it's for that reason we've included LegalZoom.com. You can get the legal help that you need with their lawyers and attorneys' advice, from business formation, wills and trusts, and intellectual property. And obviously, there's an attorney with you every step of the way. They've helped 2 million plus businesses set up with 650,000 consultations. They will refund their fee within the first 60 days if you're unhappy with the service. You can have the peace of mind knowing that the documentation have been legally recognized in every state, and you'll never need to leave home to work with the lawyers. There's no hourly charges and no surprises. And whether you need to form a company, apply for licenses and permits, or get a tax ID, they'll set your business up for success. All you need to do is click on the formation business that you want, and you can start your business with confidence. You can select the name, and you can protect yourself and make things easy and save on taxes. The 3 questions that you need to answer: you need to tell your business name, answer a few questions, and they'll complete and file the paperwork for you. And remember, guys, if you want to speak to an attorney, you can easily do that by calling this number during these time periods and speak to someone and get your questions answers immediately. Now, if you need any support, any guidance, any assistance whatsoever, you can always ask us in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.